Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today I am going to make prawns ghee roast. First, into a pan add in about 4 to 5 Kashmiri chilies. Dry roast until it turns aromatic. Once it turns aromatic, remove it out from pan. Into the same pan add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, dry chili 2. Dry roast all the ingredients in a low flame until it turns aromatic. Now it's done. Transfer it onto a bowl and allow it to cool. Now into the pan add in about 250 grams of prawns. Also add in a pinch of salt, pinch of turmeric powder. Cook until water content from prawns gets dried completely. Prawns is cooked. Now remove it out from pan. Into a blender add in all the dry roasted ingredients. Add little water and blend it to a fine paste. Now into a pan add in about 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once ghee is heated, add 1 onion chopped. Also add in half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until onion turns soft. Once onions are done, add in the prepared paste. Also add in half cup of water. Cook until raw smell goes off from the gravy. Once raw smell goes off, add in salt to taste. 1 tablespoon curd. Mix well. Add some curry leaves. Now add in the cooked prawns. Now mix until the prawns gets combined with the gravy. Stir it so that the masala won't get burnt. Cook until the prawns turn soft. Prawns is cooked well. The prawns ghee roast is ready. I have made it dry. If you want gravy, then add little water to it. Turn off the flame. Delicious and easy prawns ghee roast is ready. Do give this recipe a try. If you like the recipe, then subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.